So another thing you can do with JavaScript is traversing through the DOM. So you can traverse the DOM. So if I want to, now I selected an element, okay. So but I need to select, I need to get the adjacent elements of what I selected now. So if I, so getting into this document, I'm having a login button here. I can able to select this login button now, but I need this forgot password, right? So it is the adjacent element. If you check the document object model means, so if I, here it's the button is here, so it has an adjacent element of forgot password here. So adjacent element is basically the up before and after elements to this element we are selecting. So I can use a HTML, so JavaScript string of parent node, next sibling or previous sibling. This will does the help for me. So if I give element dot previous sibling means it will get the element which is previous to my selected element. Also the next will do, it will get the next element of the element which I selected. So and the parent node will give you the result of only the particular element, not the elements which are inside our rendered element. For example, so here this div is the parent for both these elements. So both for the element anchor A and button B, the parent element is this div. So if I select this div and I want only this element to be changed, then I can give, first I will select this element and I will change, and I will assign another variable, declare another variable, and I will assign a value with element dot parent node. So it will assign a value of parent element to this declared variable, right? Piece of code will select an element with the class. If you put a dot and highlight means it will directly get into class attribute. Okay. Or if you remove this dot, or else it will, what it will does is it will select all the elements with this word highlight. Okay. So if you put a dot highlight, it will collect the element which is having a class attribute with value highlight. Okay. Assigned to element, then you are going to select a next element. We are declaring a variable name next element and assigning a value element dot next sibling. So this element dot next sibling will select an element which is next to this selected element. Okay. Understood?